For thousands of years, the pyramids of Egypt have stood as a testament to human ingenuity and mystery. How were they built? How long did it take? Are there hidden traps inside? And what does it feel like to walk through these ancient passageways? Let's uncover the secrets of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the most famous of them all, was built over 4,500 years ago during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. But how did the ancient Egyptians, with no modern machinery, construct a 146-meter-tall stone giant? Historians believe they used a workforce of around 20,000 to 30,000 skilled laborers, not slaves as once thought. These laborers were well fed and organized into teams, each responsible for different aspects of the construction. They quarried limestone blocks, each weighing 2 to 15 tons, and transported them using wooden sledges, lubricated with water to reduce friction. But the biggest question, how did they lift the stones? Many experts believe they used massive ramps, either a straight one leading up the pyramid, or a spiral system wrapping around it. These ramps allowed workers to drag the blocks higher and higher until the pyramid was complete. The organization and efficiency of this workforce are astonishing, showcasing the incredible planning and management skills of the ancient Egyptians. Despite the harsh conditions, evidence suggests that these laborers were respected and even honored for their contributions, with some being buried in tombs near the pyramids they helped build. So, as we marvel at these monumental structures, let us also remember the thousands of skilled workers who dedicated their lives to creating one of the world's greatest wonders. These workers lived in nearby villages, with evidence of well-constructed homes, bakeries, and breweries, indicating a well-organized community. Their daily routines included not just construction but also communal activities, and they used copper tools, stone hammers, and wooden sledges to accomplish their tasks. The tools they used were simple yet effective, showcasing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians. The workers' living conditions were relatively good for the time, with evidence of well-built homes, communal kitchens, and even medical care. Archaeological finds suggest that they had access to medical treatment, with tools and remnants indicating knowledge of basic medical practices. Their daily routines also included communal activities such as games, music, and religious ceremonies, reflecting a vibrant community life. These activities provided a sense of community and well-being, essential for maintaining morale during the grueling construction work. So, how long did this incredible project take? Historians estimate the Great Pyramid took about 20 years to build. That means workers had to place one block roughly every 2 to 3 minutes, working year-round. It was an astonishing engineering feat, considering each stone had to be cut, transported, and perfectly aligned. Even today, modern builders would struggle to achieve such precision without advanced tools. But let's break down this timeline further. Imagine the initial phase, selecting the perfect site. This alone could take months of planning and surveying. Then came the foundation. Workers had to level the ground meticulously, ensuring a stable base for the massive structure. This was no small task. It required intricate knowledge of geometry and engineering. Next, the construction of the lower layers began. The workforce operated in a well-coordinated assembly line, moving stones from quarries to the construction site. Each block was carefully positioned, layer by layer, with incredible precision. The accuracy required was such that even a tiny misalignment could jeopardize the entire structure's integrity. As the pyramid grew taller, the challenges increased. The ramps, whether straight or spiral, had to be extended and reinforced constantly. This added layers of complexity to an already monumental task. Imagine the logistical challenges of transporting multi-ton blocks up an ever-increasing incline. It's a scenario that would test even modern engineers. Throughout these 2 decades, the workforce had to adapt to seasonal changes, political shifts, and even potential natural disasters. Yet they persevered, driven by a shared vision of creating a timeless monument for their pharaoh. So when we look at the Great Pyramid of Giza today, we're not just seeing a pile of stones. We're witnessing the culmination of 20 years of relentless human effort, ingenuity, and dedication. It stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when united by a common purpose. Key milestones included the initial site selection and surveying, which took several months. The foundation work followed, requiring meticulous leveling of the ground. The construction of the lower layers began next, with workers operating in a well-coordinated assembly line. As the pyramid grew taller, the ramps had to be extended and reinforced constantly. The final phase involved placing the capstone, marking the completion of this monumental project. The workers faced numerous challenges, from the harsh desert climate to the sheer physical demands of the task. They employed innovative techniques to overcome these obstacles, such as using water to soften the ground for easier stone transport. Ingenious ramp and pulley systems were devised to lift the heavy stones to greater heights. Teamwork and coordination were crucial, with each worker playing a specific role in the construction process. Detailed blueprints and plans guided the workers, ensuring that every stone was placed with precision. The final phase involved placing the capstone, a symbolic act marking the completion of this monumental project. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands today as a testament to the ingenuity, determination, and collaborative spirit of ancient Egyptian society. Many adventure movies make us believe the pyramids are filled with deadly traps, hidden pits, poison darts, and even rolling boulders. But is that really true? While there aren't Indiana Jones-style traps, the pyramids do have intricate security measures. The Egyptians designed complex tunnels, false doors, and hidden chambers to confuse and deter grave robbers. Some pyramids even had massive stone blocks that slid into place after burial, sealing off tombs forever. These blocks could weigh several tons and were nearly impossible to move once set. In some cases, archaeologists found evidence of deep vertical shafts, potentially designed to be deadly falls for intruders. These shafts could be as deep as 30 feet, making them a significant hazard. Other legends claim there were even chemical traps, such as ancient gases or quicklime, meant to harm those who disturbed the tombs. Quicklime, when exposed to moisture, could produce a caustic reaction. For example, the Great Pyramid of Giza features a series of ascending and descending passages designed to mislead and trap intruders. These passages often led to dead ends or false chambers. Hidden chambers were often filled with false artifacts to further confuse and deter grave robbers. These decoy items were meant to mislead thieves into thinking they had found the real treasure. Ingenious building mechanisms allowed massive stone blocks to be moved into place, creating impenetrable barriers. Workers used levers, pulleys, and ramps to maneuver these heavy stones. Ancient texts and hieroglyphics provide clues about these sophisticated security measures, showcasing the Egyptians' advanced engineering skills. These writings often detailed the specific traps and their intended purposes, offering a glimpse into the minds of the ancient builders. Entering the Great Pyramid is like stepping into another world. The air is dry, the passageways are narrow, and the walls echo with history. One of the most famous areas is the Grand Gallery, a long sloping corridor that leads to the King's Chamber, where Pharaoh Khufu's sarcophagus once rested. The walls are smooth, the ceilings are towering, and the atmosphere is eerie. Many explorers describe feeling a strange energy inside. Some even report dizziness or discomfort, as if the pyramid holds ancient secrets within its stones. But what is it really like to navigate these ancient passageways? Imagine moving through the dimly lit corridors, your footsteps resonating through the stone halls. The deeper you go, the more you feel the weight of history pressing down on you. The walls, adorned with ancient graffiti, whisper tales of those who came before, workers, priests, and perhaps even grave robbers. In the King's Chamber, the sense of awe is almost palpable. The room is lined with massive granite blocks, and the sheer scale of the construction is mind-boggling. The acoustics are unique, amplifying every sound, creating an almost otherworldly echo. It's no wonder some visitors feel a sense of vertigo or unease. The chamber seems alive with the energy of the past. The Queen's Chamber, located lower in the pyramid, is shrouded in mystery. Its purpose remains debated, with theories ranging from a symbolic resting place to a storage room for sacred objects. Descending further, you reach the subterranean chamber carved directly into the bedrock. This unfinished room adds to the enigma of the pyramid's construction. It's a journey through time, a connection to an ancient civilization that still captivates our imagination. And as you step back into the sunlight, you can't help but wonder, what other secrets do these ancient stones hold? The layout of the Great Pyramid is intricate, with a series of chambers and passageways that have fascinated archaeologists for centuries. Notable artifacts found within include ancient tools, pottery, and even remnants of the workers' daily lives, offering a glimpse into the past. There are also hidden chambers and secret rooms that continue to be subjects of exploration and debate, adding to the pyramid's enduring mystery. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the pyramids, one fascinating aspect often overlooked is their astronomical alignments. The ancient Egyptians were not just master builders, they were also keen astronomers. The Great Pyramid of Giza is precisely aligned with the cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. This level of precision is astonishing, especially considering the tools available at the time. But the alignments don't stop there. Some researchers believe that the pyramids were designed to align with specific stars. For instance, the three pyramids of Giza are thought to mirror the Belt of Orion, a constellation associated with Osiris, the Egyptian god of the afterlife. This celestial connection may have been intentional, symbolizing the pharaoh's journey to the stars. Additionally, the Great Pyramid's internal shafts point to significant stars. One shaft is aligned with Thuban, the pole star during the time of the pyramid's construction, while another points to Orion's belt. These alignments suggest that the pyramids served not only as tombs, but also as astronomical observatories or spiritual gateways. The precision of these alignments raises intriguing questions. How did the ancient Egyptians achieve such accuracy without modern instruments? Some theories suggest they used simple tools like sighting rods and plumb bobs, while others propose more advanced techniques that have been lost to history. The significance of these alignments in ancient Egyptian culture cannot be overstated. They reflect a deep understanding of the cosmos and a desire to connect the earthly realm with the divine. The pyramids were not just monumental tombs but also served as a bridge to the heavens. Were the pyramids aligned with the stars by design, or is it merely a coincidence? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned as we continue to explore the wonders of ancient Egypt. The methods used to determine these alignments involved careful observation of the night sky. Ancient Egyptians likely used star maps and sighting tools to track the positions of stars over time. These observations were meticulously recorded and used to align the pyramids with celestial bodies. The significance of these alignments goes beyond mere architectural achievement. They were integral to the religious and spiritual beliefs of the ancient Egyptians, symbolizing a connection to the gods and the afterlife. The precise alignment served as a testament to their advanced knowledge and reverence for the cosmos. The pyramids stand as enduring monuments to the ancient Egyptians' quest to understand and harmonize with the universe. For thousands of years, the pyramids of Egypt have stood as a testament to human ingenuity and mystery. How were they built? How long did it take? Are there hidden traps inside? And what does it feel like to walk through these ancient passageways? Let's uncover the secrets of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the most famous of them all, was built over 4,500 years ago, during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. But how did the ancient Egyptians, with no modern machinery, construct a 146-meter-tall stone giant? Historians believe they used a workforce of around 20,000 to 30,000 skilled laborers, not slaves as once thought. They quarried limestone blocks, each weighing 2 to 15 tons, and transported them using wooden sledges, lubricated with water to reduce friction. But the biggest question: how did they lift the stones? Many experts believe they used massive ramps, either a straight one leading up the pyramid or a spiral system wrapping around it. These ramps allowed workers to drag the blocks higher and higher until the pyramid was complete. So how long did this incredible project take? Historians estimate the Great Pyramid took about 20 years to build. That means workers had to place one block roughly every 2 to 3 minutes, working year-round. It was an astonishing engineering feat, considering each stone had to be cut, transported, and perfectly aligned. Even today, modern builders would struggle to achieve such precision without advanced tools. The Egyptians also employed innovative techniques to ensure the stability and durability of the pyramids. They used a precise leveling method for the foundation, ensuring the base was perfectly flat and stable. Additionally, the pyramids were constructed with an intricate internal structure, including relieving chambers to distribute weight and prevent collapse. These chambers, placed above the king's chamber, helped to distribute the immense weight of the stone blocks above. Some pyramids even had massive stone blocks that slid into place after burial, sealing off tombs forever. In some cases, archaeologists found evidence of deep vertical shafts, potentially designed to be deadly falls for intruders. Other legends claim there were even chemical traps such as ancient gases or quicklime meant to harm those who disturbed the tombs. Entering the Great Pyramid is like stepping into another world. The air is dry, the passageways are narrow, and the walls echo with history. One of the most famous areas is the Grand Gallery, a long, sloping corridor that leads to the king's chamber, where Pharaoh Khufu's sarcophagus once rested. The walls are smooth, the ceilings are towering, and the atmosphere is eerie. Many explorers describe feeling a strange energy inside. Some even report dizziness or discomfort, as if the pyramid holds ancient secrets within its stones. The pyramids continue to amaze and mystify us. Built with unmatched precision, taking decades to complete, and designed to protect their pharaohs for eternity, they are more than just monuments. They are symbols of human ambition and the pursuit of immortality. But one question remains: have we truly uncovered all their secrets? Or do the pyramids still hold mysteries waiting to be revealed? Theories abound about their true purpose. Some suggest they were astronomical observatories aligned with celestial bodies. Others believe they were power plants harnessing natural energy. Let us know in the comments, what do you think is the biggest mystery about the pyramids? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing history. Building the pyramids wasn't just an engineering marvel, it was an economic endeavor of unprecedented scale. The resources, labor, and time required were immense, and the economic impact on ancient Egypt was profound. First, let's talk about the resources. The Great Pyramid of Giza alone required an estimated 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2 to 15 tons. These blocks were quarried from nearby sites and transported to the construction site using wooden sledges. The sheer volume of materials necessitated a well-organized supply chain, involving thousands of workers, animals, and tools. Labor was another significant factor. Unlike the popular myth of slave labor, historians now believe that a workforce of around 20,000 to 30,000 skilled laborers built the pyramids. These workers were well-fed, housed in nearby villages, and even received medical care. Their wages were paid in the form of food, clothing, and shelter, which required a substantial portion of the state's resources. Time is yet another crucial element. The Great Pyramid took approximately 20 years to complete, which means a long-term commitment of resources and labor. During this period, other economic activities had to be maintained, such as agriculture, trade, and governance. The pharaoh's administration had to ensure that the economy remained stable while channeling immense resources into pyramid construction. So what was the economic impact on ancient Egypt? The cost of building the pyramids was equivalent to a significant portion of the kingdom's GDP. However, this investment also had long-term benefits. The pyramids attracted pilgrims, traders, and tourists, boosting local economies and creating jobs in various sectors from artisans to merchants. Now let's put this into a modern perspective. If we were to build the Great Pyramid today, it would cost billions of dollars. Modern estimates suggest that replicating the Great Pyramid with today's technology and labor costs would range from $1.2 billion to $3 billion. This includes the cost of materials, labor, machinery, and logistics. Interestingly, the economic impact of such a project today would be somewhat similar. It would create jobs, stimulate local economies, and attract global attention. However, unlike ancient Egypt, modern economies are more diversified, and the relative impact would be less concentrated. In conclusion, the pyramids were not just architectural wonders, they were economic powerhouses that shaped ancient Egypt's economy and society. They stand as a testament to what human ingenuity, organization, and resources can achieve, both in the past and today. What do you think about the economic impact of the pyramids? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into history.